thank you for coming back to my channel. I don't know why I just said it like that.
Anyway, it's Kitty Keys. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I'm coming to you today with this look, y'all. Okay? With this look. Alright? It looks like 90s. I woke up today like, you know, I'm feeling like a little 90s vibe. This is the same 10-inch bob wig. Yeah, and I thought that I'd come to you and show you how I did this look. So keep watching. All right, so this is my age-old scarf. I had already laid the wig down, so I'm just gonna, you know, pull it out looking crazy or whatever, but I wanted to do my makeup first. So to refresh like the edges, I just use a spray bottle on my comb because I don't want the wig to come out. Like, if you have ever laid down a wig and then you try to like do your edges and it starts lifting, that is so stressful. It's the like, it stresses me out. So first I'm gonna do a side part. I feel like I want to go back into this wig and tweeze some more, but like I always just tweeze over time. I'm gonna do a side part and just clip that bang to the side, because trust me, y'all gonna see me redo this ponytail and it's bang a million times, I promise. All right, so a key is like trying to make your part look as real as possible. So of course, like, I'm gonna make sure all the hair is moved away from the part and just try to keep sweeping it to the side. I didn't flat iron my hair yet, so that's why it's so annoying, but that's what I get. I use water to help like just get all the hair to stick together in the right way before I start putting product in it, because I don't want too much product in the hair. And also, you know, when you put water on the hair, it just helps. Now, I didn't show you guys, I used Eco Styling Gels, the coconut one. I just needed a light edge control or a light gel to hold the hair down. I didn't want to use Gorilla Snot or anything because it's just too sticky, and I didn't use too much for this bang. I'm gonna comb. I want to spread all the gel. I took out the majority of this part because these bangs were stressing me out, but I combed over my bang 1,002 times. I used a brush. I ended up using like a small thistle brush in the end because the end of the bang just kept looking all scrawny. I was looking like Jamie Foxx from that Spider-Man movie. All right, so I'm gonna bobby pin up this hair. Don't worry, I'm gonna end up like combing my bang again and then replacing the bobby pins, but I want to do the ponytail first. So that edge control is just gonna sit. I'm just looking at like what my ponytail actually would look like if it was high up or lower down. So you want to take the hair from behind the bang, obviously, and put it up in the ponytail. You should also comb it. I don't know what movie I was watching, y'all, but this movie had me hooked. I kept stopping the video. Like 30 minutes of my video was just me watching a movie. All right, here I go again, doing these bangs, but at this point, the edge control or the gel is kind of like hardening, so it's easier for me to comb the hair like together so that I could get the swoop. Try and get that swoop. That swoop. But sometimes your hair don't want to swoop.
Why do we keep doing that? Like, it's going this way. Like, no.
So I finally got the swoop that I wanted. I bobby pinned it. One went underneath the wig and one went like on top so you can see it. Okay, so I decided that I'm gonna curl my hair with like the ends point this way. So I got a tiny little flat iron. I'm like gonna try to do this. Look at the camera. Yeah, this is difficult. I need my mirror. Come on. Hold on, let me get this. Get this mirror. Okay, now we're working. Alright, let's try this one more time. Oh, sucky now. Why my earlobe look like that? I don't know what's wrong with me. Y'all start playing me in the comments. You know, I was being lazy. I didn't flat iron this part. Y'all see that? Let's see it. Let's hang some of those flowers. Yes. Now, before you get out of here, you try it yourself. First, click the like button right there. Second, please subscribe to this channel if you're viewing it. Also, tell your friends about it. And if you want to do some challenges, you want to see me, you know, get a little crazy, send me a comment and let me know. And I'm gonna definitely look into making some new videos for you guys.